I've been doing keynotes and workshops with Finnish organizations for over 5 years. I love speaking about storytelling. I bring people, this visibility of all these diverse employees, internationals like myself, spouses, refugees, already make an impact in Finnish society. And I just bring that visibility with also collaborative projects that, cities, unions, small, middle-sized companies and universities bring. They also bring that sense of belonging in companies. And by doing so, they show how it actually affects your successful talent attraction recruitment. They show how collaboration is actually at the heart of building individual and collective understanding why we need diversity at workplace and why it's here to stay in Finland. Communities are meeting places online and offline that offers you structure, space, and gathers people based on established interests. Following coronavirus pandemic, we all probably felt isolated and lonely. Therefore, I find it imperative for companies and individuals, organizations to build social capital by offering workplaces that feel like communities, bringing people together in your local environment. Being a professional in any country or locality, you can build your CV by working, establishing yourself as a professional, but I truly believe that with local community building philosophy, you can grow your ecological relationship to yourself, ecological relationship to people around you, and also the ecological relationship to the environment. So we need that social capital. We need each other to be connected. So go for it with communities. Be a change maker. First, you need to prioritize friendships over postcodes and national borders because that will grow your global citizenship and empathy. 2, unleash your curiosity to boost your employability. For example, starting conversation, that too with strangers. 3, lead with courage and own it. Next time you want to contact someone, try calling them instead of texting. Don't forget to be a change maker wherever you are. In Finland, in the Nordics, in Europe, the world is so global and what's local is global too. So my message to decision makers is clear. If you want to run a successful organization with teams that people want to be part of, you've got to diversify and inclusify. 14 years ago, when I first started advocating for diversity at work, my message was simple: give everyone an equal chance. Now we're in 2023. My call to action is change. Is going to demand time, money, and your conviction on diversity, equity, inclusion. Companies have to diversify, inclusify because the future workforce is yearning to be part of inclusive company culture with psychological safety and the company that treats its employees, customers, and planet fairly. Hej med jer! Rødgrød med fløde er dansk, og sisu, olen sisukas, er finsk. It's in Finnish. I moved to Denmark at age of 18 without any family and friends. Having spent there 12 years, I moved now to Finland, where I've been living for 9 years. Learning and knowing the languages and the cultures of these two world's happiest nations also helped me understand and appreciate my Uzbek culture and heritage so much more. It helped me learn that I not only have a choice, but I also have a voice.